Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very large Costco haul for, gosh, it's only March 24th today, but we just needed a few things and I figured I would kind of do our big April shopping right now. We have spring break coming up in not this week, not next week, but the week after. So like the week following Easter, we're hosting family for Easter. So I'm sure I'll have to go back and get some stuff once I figure out our menu, but this will get us through the next couple weeks and pretty well into April as well with dinners and stuff. So let's get into it. If you're interested in the prices of things, I'll have them posted down in the description section below. And I'm in Northern California, if that's helpful for comparison. And yeah, if you're new to my channel, I'd love to have you subscribe. So let's get into it. The first thing that I got were these goldfish. This was a new product I hadn't seen before. So it's the Harry Potter Special Edition butterscotch flavored, and I just figured that would be super fun for our kiddos. And there's like an owl, it looks like a butter bear, and then a fish too. We needed some more peanut butter. We love this Kirkland brand peanut butter. We also needed some jelly, so we got their strawberry jelly. I got this big case of zero sugar Gatorade for it's baseball season. We have to bring snack this coming Saturday. So this one comes with 12 of the Glacier Freeze, 8 of the berry, and 8 of the lemon lime. So we'll stick a Gatorade in with the snacks. To go with that, we also got these grass-fed mini original zero sugar little beef sticks. So the kiddos will get a beef stick in their snack. We needed some tomatoes. Got tomatoes. This sourdough pizza kit has 3 crusts, and then it comes with the sauce, and you just have to put the toppings on. I got this maybe in my last Costco haul or the one before that, but we just had this this last week and really loved it. It was really good. So I recommend getting this. This is the expiration date goes through like the end of May. So we will for sure eat this before the end of May, but I grabbed another one to throw in the pantry to have as an option. I got 2 big bags of the French roast Kirkland coffee. We make coffee at home every single day, so got those. The Siete Churro cinnamon chips. This is just a fun treat. We're going to Disney in, I don't know, 3 weeks or so. And so we love the Disney churros, and I thought this would just be something fun to get the kids excited about going. Some Chomps for just our house. I don't usually buy the Costco quiche. I'll get it maybe a couple times a year. I love homemade quiche, but this will just be a really easy dinner or even breakfast on like a weekend morning. Again, with baseball season going on, we have activities multiple nights a week and on Saturdays, plus we have scouts, which takes up time with activities as well. So easy, convenient meals was kind of the theme of this trip. Another thing that I don't purchase, I don't think I've ever purchased these, but this is for, again, snack. I know kids love these. So they'll get the jerky stick, they'll get a Gatorade, and then they'll get these mini muffins. There's 20 pouches in here, so we'll have a few left over, and I'm sure the boys will appreciate those as a little treat. Albacore tuna. Let's see, what else? We got this Caesar salad kit to go with a dinner. The smoked pulled pork. We love that pulled pork. It's so good. You just poke a couple holes in the bag, heat it up in the microwave, make some rice, throw it in a rice bowl with broccoli, and we use the like Japanese, they call it Japanese barbecue sauce, but it's like a teriyaki sauce. So good. You can put the pork on sliders, put it over like a sweet potato or a baked potato. So many uses for it, and it is delicious. So we got some of that for the fridge. Also, this chicken and mozzarella ravioli. I thought that would be an easy dinner. Actually, it'll be 2 easy dinners, so I'll probably throw one of those in the freezer. It looks like they're good through May 9th, so they could just even be out in the outside fridge. These popcorners, I'm debating on putting these in with a snack too. A snack is really like a drink and something else, but it seems like with these baseball snacks that you bring for Little League, there's so much stuff in the bags that parents bring. So I don't know if I want to like shortchange the kids or just stock them up with some good treats, even if they don't eat them right away. But we like these popcorners. I thought this could be a healthier choice than regular chips, especially since I'm giving them the muffins. There's 10 bags of just the plain, 8 bags of the white cheddar, 8 of the sea salt, and 4 of the spicy queso. Some diced tomatoes. There's 8 cans in there. This is new for me. So I love the Catalina Crunch cereal, and this is the snack mix. We've been really trying to focus on eating more protein, and so I thought this would be nice if I was craving something crunchy. It has just 1 gram of sugar and 10 grams of protein in a serving, and the serving size is 1/3 of a cup. So got that to try it out. Some Tillamook cheese, that's our go-to cheese. We get it every single time we go to Costco. Amy Lou chicken meatballs. This will be 2 different meals for us. Well, probably 2 meals plus like leftovers with those meals. But these are great in spaghetti, but we also love these to make meatball sandwiches. My oldest especially loves meatball subs. So that'll be at least 1 dinner coming up in the next couple of weeks. I might freeze one of these packs or again, just put it out in the outside fridge. This was new to my Costco. I got 2 bags of this as well. And this is char-grilled Chipotle seasoned chicken. And so I figured this would be really great to make Chipotle burrito bowls at home. So just make some like lime rice and have beans and lettuce and tomatoes and avocado, like have the other toppings. And then you have the chicken that's pre-cooked for you. So really all you have to do is chop stuff up and then make some rice, and that'll be a quick dinner. Again, 2 of these, 1 of these will be like dinner with some leftovers for lunches or whatever the rest of the week. So got 2 of those, a bag of apples. This is the Cosmic Crisp. We really like those. Got some basil pesto. So we love this pesto on pasta, but it's also really good as a base on pizza if you're not going to use the red sauce. And then I just watched Kim from the WODs talk about, she was doing some like high protein meal prep, and she made a chicken pesto stromboli, and that looked super good with the like better for you crust where you do the self-rising flour and the Greek yogurt instead of all the additions, and you just mix it together. That's your base. Roll it out, throw some pesto on it and some chicken and cheese, roll it up and bake it. So I thought that would be a fun dinner for like the weekends when I have a little more time. Shouldn't take too long to throw together, but it's a little bit more involved when there's something after school that we need to just get fed. I got some more vitamin D. We're almost out. My husband and I take vitamin D every day. A tri-tip, I think we're gonna have this with corn on the cob, which I just got probably this weekend. We'll grill. It's been in the 70s and 80s here, and our pool is nice and clean and ready for the spring, summertime. So I think we'll have a tri-tip coming up this weekend. What else? I showed you these. I got some cuties to go in the snacks for the baseball team. Some organic turkey. We've gone through the 2 packs I got in our last Costco haul. So I got the organic kind again, as well as just the non-organic kind. My 7-year-old, he's 7, prefers this kind over the organic one. I don't know that he really cares, but I think he just gets used to eating one, and then when you change it up on him, he likes what he's used to, you know. Red grapes, I need to wash these. They always look so dirty. Some canned peaches or jarred peaches. My kiddos love peaches on cottage cheese. Got some Grillo's pickles. I hate the packaging on these pickles. They spill every single time without fail, but we love these pickles. They're so good. Built bars. So we've loved Built bars for years, and these are 2 new flavors they have, the blue raspberry and the sweet peach punch. I sampled the sweet peach punch, and they were actually selling individual bars. The last time I went to Costco, I had to pick up a couple things, and so I grabbed a couple of the peach ones. I didn't try the blue raspberry, but these were so good. I love kind of sour gummy candy, and it feels like such a hack to eat one of these because you're getting a treat, plus you're getting 16 grams of protein when you have it, and It's 150 calories, and I think it's like super low sugar, if there's any sugar in it. Let's see. Oh, there's 8 grams of sugar. So not terrible, but not the best. I mean, obviously better than a candy bar. So anyway, I'm excited to have those. Those last for over a year. As far as like the expiration date, I'm sure we'll eat it before a year goes by, but I'm happy to have those. These fire roasted vegetables, these are so good. So Pura Vida is the brand, and there's just a ton of different vegetables in here. There's red bell pepper, zucchini, yellow squash, red onions, broccoli, and then it says it's tossed in avocado oil, Himalayan pink salt, black pepper, and spices. Fire roasted to perfection. We've had this before, and it makes just such an easy side with whatever you're having like protein-wise for dinner. You just heat it up in a pan, and it's got so much flavor. So highly recommend that. You keep it frozen. I got my dog some more jerky treats. Another product I haven't purchased before, I usually buy their frozen salmon that doesn't have anything on it, and I just cook it with like a little bit of olive oil, salt and pepper, and then some sliced lemon on top. But this is an already seasoned one, and I've heard really good things about it. So it's the Buttery Steakhouse Salmon, and it has the Kinder's Buttery Steakhouse seasoning, which we have that in our cupboard. But anyway, this is already done for you, so we'll try it, and if we love it, then I can always use the seasoning that we have on the salmon that we have in the freezer. So I love salmon. Happy to give that a try. We're almost out of Zbars. We have just a few of the oatmeal ones left. Those are like the least favorite of my kiddos, but they'll eat them eventually. There's 12 oatmeal, 12 chocolate chip, and 12 chocolate brownie. So we'll restock us on that. Let's see, come forward. We've got this chicken, frozen chicken chunk. We love these for, again, just if we're wanting to have like Chick-fil-A type meal at home. These taste really good. They taste a lot like Chick-fil-A. These are also really good, just tossed with a bagged salad in a wrap for a quick dinner. It takes like 20 minutes to cook these, and dinner's ready. So love that as an option. Showed you the peaches. This was a new product. It's organic lemon rice. And I think we're going to have, this says it's basmati rice with lemon and vegetables, and there's 2 packs. I think we're going to have one of these with dinner tonight. I got a rotisserie chicken, so we're going to have rotisserie chicken, some of this rice, and like a bagged salad. So, and then I figured the other bag of rice we could have when I make Indian chicken, like in the crock pot or something. So there's that. Bell peppers, fajitas, and just whatever else. Dip them, eat them, plain. Here's the corn on the cob to go with the tri-tip for this weekend. I got 2 containers of cottage cheese. We eat so much cottage cheese. We love it so much. Cottage cheese toast has been my jam in the morning for breakfast. I have it on a piece of sourdough toast with sometimes some like microgreens if we have them, tomatoes, and then pumpkin seeds and balsamic glaze, and it's just super good. So my kids also love cottage cheese with peaches. We'll use it in a pasta dish if we want to make something more cheesy. You can do a bowl with cottage cheese and then like a chicken parmesan kind of thing. So that's really good. Anyway, so we'll eat through these 2. Some shredded cheddar jack cheese, 2 packs of those. We just used the last of ours. I made enchiladas the other night, and I used the last of them for that meal. So we needed some of those. 2 gallons of milk, some marinara sauce, just to restock the pantry. I think we only have a couple left, so I like to keep stuff like that on hand. Egg whites for breakfast sandwiches, some chicken stock, also 2 of the Rouse sauces. These potatoes, you know I talk about it if you've watched my videos before. Slice them in half, olive oil, salt, 425 degrees for like 25 minutes. Put them face down or like cut side down on the pan. And they're just so good for an easy dinner side. Greek yogurt, it's a staple. This new salad pack. So this one is creamy Italian. We've gotten the pickle one, the last chopped pickle or whatever the last couple times, and we've loved that, but I figured we'd give this a try. some Siete regular tortilla chips. Here's our rotisserie chicken, and then 2 boxes of the egg bites. This is just a quick breakfast for my husband and I. We have these often, and sometimes if like my husband's working from home, he'll have these for lunch. But that is what we got for this Costco trip. Again, I'll put all the prices below, and I would love to have you subscribe and stick around, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.